Hello! If you're watching this video, I assume that you are taking a psychology class with me this semester. I'm Dr. Scott Silberman, but we can be on a first name basis. You can call me Scott. I'm going to be your instructor for this online class. I wanted you to know a few things about me before we start. There's going to be two introductory videos, this one and then the one that's specific to your course and semester. I would highly recommend you watch that one right after you watch this one. So first of all, I've been teaching college since 1990. I've been a full-time psychology professor at Chandler Gilbert since 1997. So I've been at this a long time. I teach a variety of different psychology classes: Psych 101, Abnormal Psychology, Research Methods, Forensic Psychology, which by the way I think is the most interesting, and even Statistics when they need me to teach that. I also do a lot of other things on campus. I work for College Student Services, Disability Resources, I'm on the Behavior Intervention team, so there's a lot of roles that I play, but my favorite is teaching psychology. I do it in person, hybrid, and online. So this class specifically addresses online classes and specific things that I want you to know. So first and foremost, every module represents a week of class. It's very important that you stay on schedule. Things open for the week at 8 a.m. on Monday mornings. It closes the following Sunday at 10 p.m. So within that time frame, that's nearly a week, right? A week minus several hours. You need to get stuff done each week. It's contained in the weekly module. You can't start early, it won't be open. And you can't finish it late or turn it in late because it will close. I didn't do that to be mean to you or anybody else. It's just the way that it's set up for all of the classes. And it makes grading easier, and it makes it easier to be consistent, that everybody has the same expectations. So pay close attention to that. The only exception is finals week, where everything closes at 10 p.m. on Friday. That's not by my choice, that's the way the college decided to do things. So there are exams along the way that you need to take. They will be online. You will put in the password unexpected, that's the word that we use for the semester, and they will be time limited, so you need to be able to do the exams in one sitting. Make sure that you're ready for it, prepared to take it, because once you start it, it will end in a specific amount of time. So be prepared for that. There is a paper that is due the last day of class, so make sure you're prepared for that as well. Each week, there are usually assignments, not every single week, but you'll see when you get into those modules, there's extra reading material. Now, years ago, there was a book to buy, but also the bookstore would usually encourage people to buy student study guides. Well, that's not really necessary anymore because I can give you all that information, extra stuff to read and learn in the modules. It makes it cheaper and it makes it easier. So follow the modules and it will be everything that you need to know. But the most important thing is to keep on schedule. I can't emphasize that enough. Now, another thing, we have a variety of services that can help you at Chandler Gilbert, whether we are teaching online, in person, hybrid, or otherwise. There is a library, there's a computer lab that works remotely also, library services, counseling, disability resources, a whole bunch of ways that we can help you. A writing center, tutoring, I could go on and on. So take advantage of those things if there's anything that you need help with. One of my colleagues uses a great example. Think of two kinds of restaurants: the regular sit-down restaurant where you order off of a menu, and a buffet. With the regular sit-down restaurant with a menu, don't you look at the menu and decide what you want and how much you want to pay? Well, college is more like a buffet. You paid when you walked in the door, and now we have all these things waiting for you, and you can take whatever you want to take. And that is services that are available to you. But perhaps the best service, and I don't mean to sound self-centered, is me. Let me help you. Contact me. There are so many ways. We could even have a video chat with each other. We could talk on the phone. You can email me. You can text me, call me. I have a Google Voice number, so that's probably the quickest, because if you text me or call me, I can get right back to you. You just have to tell me who you are and what I can do to help you. But I am here for you, and all those other services are available to you as well. So again, the most important thing, follow the modules, make sure you understand the deadlines, that you can't submit anything before Monday at 8 a.m. because that's when the weekly module starts, and that Sunday at 10 p.m. is when that weekly module will end. The exception to that is finals week, but otherwise it will be a predictable pattern. Make sure you're keeping up with the assignments, the exams, the paper that is due at the end, and if you can stay on schedule and on task, I am really confident that this will be a good semester. But also, let us help you at Chandler Gilbert. We have so many services that are available to you, and let me help you. Call me, text me, we can do a video conference, email, whatever is your preferred method of communication, and I am available to help you as well. So now, watch the second video, and that will be specific to your class this semester, and then make sure you do the first module that includes a quiz of what is expected this semester, just so that you show an understanding. That needs to be done by the end of the second day of class to remain enrolled. Also, keep in mind that you need to make progress every week to remain enrolled during the semester. So that really shouldn't be a problem if you're keeping up with everything. But let me know what I can do to help. And I really look forward to having you in class. Let's have a great semester. Take care.